Before starting the automatic priming, make sure all clamps are open, or the unused ones are clamped on the lines of the set and the solutions. Press automatic priming as the 5th of the 7 steps for the preparation. During the priming time, which is 10 minutes, all lines and filter are filled in order to remove all the air. At the end of the priming, press Next. Here you can proceed to patient's connection or start an optional rinsing or an optional recirculation. If recirculation is selected, remove the priming bag from the center load cell. Disconnect the arterial line from the priming bag and connect it to the priming waste bag at the T connector. Then open clamps on the arterial line and the priming waste bag. Press recirculation button to start recirculation. Press recirculation button to stop it, and press Connect Patient to proceed to the Confirm Therapy Parameters step. The screen for confirming therapy parameters is the last of the 7 steps that make up the preparation procedure. These include patient ID, weight, net fluid removal, substitution fluid flow rates, dialysate flow rate, heparin flow rate. When all desired parameters are entered, press Confirm. 2 options are available for patient connection. For more information on red connection, check the IFU. In case of white connection, the connection is performed with both lines connected to the catheter. All the fluid inside the blood circuit is infused to the patient via the venous line. Let's choose white connection. The patient connection can be started by pressing the Fill the Blood Lines icon. Visually control the blood draw. It is recommended to operate the blood pump on this screen until the entire blood circuit is filled with blood. Enter the main screen by pressing Enter Therapy. Set the blood flow rate displayed in the middle of the lower edge of the screen. Press plus or minus on the numeric keypad to enter the target value in ml per min and confirm with Done. The target blood flow is approached gradually. When the blood flow is adequate, press the therapy icon. Fluid pumps start to work. The most important therapy parameters are displayed on the main screen.